How to know if I'm being ignored on Messenger? So first of all, let's open up the Messenger application. And then after opening, now you can simply go to a random chat. And then if you go to the upper right corner, which has that info icon, tap on that. And if you scroll down here, for now I don't have an ignore option. Or you can also go back and then you can simply tap on that chat, like hold on to that chat, and here you will have the ignore option. But in some countries or in some mobile phones, you won't have that ignore option. So ignoring simply means they won't receive your calls, or they won't get the notification of your messages and all that. So if you want to know that someone ignored you or not on Messenger, then we don't have that option. Messenger don't have that option to notify you if someone has ignored you, because that might be a privacy concern. It will be a privacy concern. So Messenger don't have the option of showing you if someone has ignored you. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.